everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to visit Asiababi Kushkeno, also called as a New Water Museum. It is placed in Yazd, Iran, and this place is interesting for everyone who is curious about clever problem solutions or is interested in history, especially history of Iran. And you can see how people used to brought water into their houses, and you can see old tunnels here. And I promise you will enjoy today's vlog. So if you're interested in seeing this place, please walk with us. The ticket price for Asiababi Kushkeno is about $5 to $10 per person, and it's easy to reach here because it's in the middle of the city. You can take a taxi or ask locals to get you here, or you can walk here by using Google Map, or you can use public transportation. Every one of these ways brought you here easily. So don't worry about the ticket price and the ways you can reach here. Now I want to tell you an odd fact about Asiababi Kushkeno. It is said that it have hidden passageways leading to secret chambers, and until this day a lot of these passageways remain unexplored, and local tales said that most of these passageways used by the water guardians to keep water safe during the conflict. There is another interesting fact, or as we call it, legend, about Asiababi Kushkeno, that people said they can hear whispers and see some mystical shadows in this water museum, and locals believe that these are the guardians of water who are living underground. I don't know if these things which people said that they are seeing some shadows and hearing some noises are a trick of their imagination or something else really is happening, but when I visited there I didn't hear anything or didn't see any shadows. So if you're afraid of frightening stuff, don't worry about these things. So if you have the chance to travel in Yazd, don't miss the opportunity to visit this place. It is really interesting, and it can teach us you how people used to solve their problems in the past, and you can see how clever Iranians were when they were solving their problems and brought water into their houses. I hope you enjoy today's vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and like our video. Bye.